Hey, Las Vegas drivers, listen up. You've got to get ready for DROPICANA. It's coming soon here to I-15 and Tropicana, and you need to know how to avoid it and how to get around. DROPICANA is going to involve taking down part of the Tropicana Bridge over I-15. It's going to include an 8-day closure of Tropicana in both directions. It's also going to include a 3-day full closure of I-15 in both directions at Tropicana. That means you're going to need to find an alternate way to get around. So there's a few things you can do. The first thing is you need to download our free I-15 Trop app. You can find it in the Apple Store or in the Android Store. You also want to look at i15trop.com. Both of those are going to allow you to get real-time updates for closures, restrictions, and more importantly, how to get around. The thing that I want you to take away from this is that Tropicana Avenue closed for 8 straight days. I-15 down below closed for 3 straight days. So you either want to avoid this area or you want to plan ahead. Learn how to get around all of the traffic restrictions before you set out. It's the next big phase of the project that we're doing right out here at I-15 at Tropicana Avenue, and it's going to impact a lot of drivers, so you need to know how to avoid it when it comes.